CISS installation for printer Epson Stylus B42WD. Place CISS on the right side of the printer and flatten the tube. Plug in the printer and press the drop button. After the cartridge moves to the cartridge exchange position, plug off the printer. Take the power cable out of the socket. Use the screwdriver to open the cover. Put it between clip and cover. Deflect the clip to the right to take away the cover. Take off the cover. Check order of colors on the sticker and on the block of cartridges. Put the set of cartridges into the cartridge. Move the cartridge to the middle of the printer so that you are able to hug it with both hands and then gently push on cartridges till the specific click. Put the T-shaped holder in the middle of the printer and fix the ink cable in. Move the cartridge to the extreme left, then to the extreme right position. Check if the cable is not twisted and if it is not hindering the movement of the cartridge. The cable should not sag. If the cable length is not enough, correct its fixing. Place the cable fixing on printer's body. Fix inks cable into the clip. Turn off the open lid sensor with conveying tape or piece of paper. Take off small plugs and gently place air filters on their place. Ink tanks should be placed on the same level as the printer, not above or below. Plug in the printer. Holding trash can button, press printer's power button and keep holding trash can button for 10 more seconds. If the nozzle check is not good, make print head cleaning. Enjoy your printing!